What's going on, everyone? My name is Jonathan Rodriguez, and I'm making this channel because I don't want people to feel alone, and I'm sick and tired of being in this house all day, having moved somewhere new, and just honestly being very depressed. And it's getting me to a point where, I used to be depressed a long time ago, and honestly, it wasn't great. It wasn't great at all. I mean, you're stuck in bed all day. You don't want to get up and go to work. You don't want to do anything. Things hit you a lot harder than they normally would if you were, all right and doing your thing. Basically, I just moved to a new state, and I was working a good job for a while, and now I'm not. Now I lost pretty much everything. I lost my job, and I was in a relationship that was amazing, and I lost that, and it's a lot to take in all at once, and I'm not gonna lay here and just, I'm not gonna lay down and die. It's not gonna happen. I'm gonna fight it, and I want everyone else who's dealing with something to know that they have somebody to talk to if you need to. You can always, message me, and honestly, this might be a good thing. I might continue to make these videos where I am just constantly updating my story and letting people know what I'm dealing with, because depression has been a big part of my life, and it's affected everything that I do on a daily basis. Just what it does to you. It drags you down. It makes you feel like you're powerless when you're not. And I just want this to be a safe place where people can talk, and groups can get together, and we can all talk to each other and help each other, because personally, I'm way better at helping other people deal with their problems than I am dealing with my own. And that's hard to say, because that means that I can help somebody out with theirs, and they'll be all happy and great, after I'm done talking to them, and me, I'm still in a rut, doing the same old and still letting the depression get to me. But I don't want that to happen anymore. No, I want to continue to fight, and to let other people know that I'm fighting, and that if you really are down and you need to fight, that I'm here to talk to. If you want to message me, if you want to talk, if you want to talk through videos, or if you want to just talk through messages, or comments, all that, you can. And I just want to be a person who can be there for other people in the world, because I feel so much better helping people than dealing with my own problems on my own. Yeah, sometimes you just gotta stick to it, and try and persevere. But in the end, what's gonna motivate you to do better for yourself is to know that there is something waiting for you at the end, and that there is a finish line, that there's not just all this working and all this sadness for no reason, and you just got to keep going through it, and it's going to happen again and again, and you're never going to get out of it. You are going to get out of it, and this is what I'm going to get out of it. If I can just keep on pushing to help other people all around the country, all around the world, then I will feel much better, and I will be able to push myself. And so this is for me, and this is for other people who I want to help. So if you are struggling right now, if you are going through depression, if you are having these suicidal thoughts, or if you plan on hurting yourself or anything like that, please message me, please, and we'll talk about it. We'll get a game plan going. I know that I feel so much better helping people out, and I believe that I can help people by sharing my experiences and by hearing yours. So again, my name is Jonathan Rodriguez, and I'm going to try and keep uploading videos about my life and what I'm going through, and hopefully it reaches enough people to where you feel comfortable, commenting or sending a message, and just, getting yourself heard, because I'm a great listener, and I can offer some pretty decent advice if you want it. If you just need somebody to listen, then I'm here for that too. But there we go. So let me know if anything. I'm here for each and every one of you who are seeing this, and share, like, subscribe if you want. And I'll see you next time. Take care.